how to use canvases in Slack. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can use canvases in Slack. So let's dive in. First, open your Slack workspace and head to the channel where you want to create a canvas. Once you're there, click on the plus icon near the message box. A menu will appear with several options like workflow, bookmarks, and you guessed it, canvas. Click on Canvas, then tap Create Canvas to begin. This will open up the Canvas editor where you can build anything from team checklists and notes to project guides and more. You'll see that Slack offers a few helpful templates to get started quickly, like an employee onboarding template that includes checklists, reminders, and more. Or you can start with a blank canvas and build it your own way. Inside the editor, you can easily format text, create headers, add checklists, and organize your content. Just type a slash to bring up a full list of available elements like block quotes, dates, reminders, bullet lists, and more. Once you're done editing, simply save your canvas and you'll have the option to share it, pin it to any channel, or search and reuse it later whenever you need it. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.